At DMC, precision and reliability matter. In this Q&A, we'll address some of the most frequently asked questions. Let's dive in. Yes, we sell direct to our customers in USA, Canada, Mexico, and Brazil. We also have DMC Europe to support and process orders for our customers across Europe. The tool selection search featured on our website provides a convenient cross-reference for mil-spec connectors, M39029 contacts, terminals, and splices, among other components. You can also consult our tooling guide and wall chart for a simple cross-reference, or reach out to our technical support team. Yes, DMC calibration and repair services are available for many of our tools and toolkits to support the high reliability industries we serve. Complete the calibration and repair form on our website to secure services. To minimize downtime, we ask that all tools that are sent in for calibration and repair include a payment method. You'll be notified in advance if any additional fees apply. Yes, we do. Our strategically placed account executives have extensive knowledge of DMC products and are happy to provide flexible options for on-site training and demonstrations. Our training is tailored to your specific needs, ensuring your team gains the skills and knowledge necessary for your operations. Please request a visit through our Contact Us page or contact the representative in your area.
These manual indent crimp tools are all mill qualified. However, they have different specification sheets under SAE AS 22520. They each accommodate unique accessories that adapt the tool frame to our particular application. The AF8 accommodates wire sizes 12 through 26 AWG, the AFM8 accommodates wire sizes 20 through 32 AWG, and the MH860 accommodates wire sizes 16 through 32 AWG. We have a comprehensive list of power tool equivalents available on our website, dmctools.com/powertool-equivalents. Some of the most common are the WA27F equivalent to the AF8, the WA22 equivalent to the AFM8, and the WA22P equivalent to the MH860. Using the wrong wire size is a big rule breaker, but depending on the application, an environmental splice could be your solution. This splice connects the rest of the wire harness to an appropriately sized jumper wire that is installed into the connector. This ensures that the connector remains sealed from the environment and has the proper wire size in the crimp. Yes, DMC is committed to meeting our customers' needs by providing world-class custom tooling solutions. Our knowledgeable team can take your project from concept to design to testing and manufacturing in our state-of-the-art facility. Our manufacturing methods include CNC milling and turning, EDM, and precision grinding. Submit your request for a custom solution on our website today.
Over time, the tools will become worn or may need adjustment. Gauging is a good way to verify the tool will meet the OEM's performance expectations in-house. However, routine calibration is always a good idea. Calibration schedules can be based on several variables: number of cycles, length of time since the last calibration, damage or improper care of the tools, etc. A calibration schedule should be determined by the end user to ensure quality and tool life. Yes, certificates of calibration are available as add-ons to products purchased on our website. This type of certificate is only available for brand new tools. Used tools needing calibration must be sent in following RMA procedures. DMC 286-02 is a great option for general aviation maintenance for electrical connectors and wiring systems. This kit has the highest quality tools qualified to meet military specifications for stripping, crimping, and wire termination. Yes, we provide highly precise crimp tools with tight tolerances, crafted from specialty steel and tungsten materials. These tools are ideal for constructing medical devices and for use in R&D departments specializing in advanced medical technologies. Our customers benefit from flexible, tailored tooling solutions designed to meet their specific needs.
In addition to installing 3 times faster than Lockwire, Safety Cable also produces a stronger and safer result. The user-friendly tooling guarantees a consistent installation each time it is used. Unlike Lockwire, Safety Cable installations eliminate sharp edges, which greatly reduces the risk of injury. Safety Cable also reduces repetitive motion injuries and foreign object debris. The installation and inspection of Safety Cable is simple, easy to train, and rework is essentially eliminated. No, per NASM 33540, cable and ferrules should be new upon each application. Reuse is not acceptable. 22 thousandths is 30 pounds minimum. 32 thousandths is 70 pounds minimum. 40 thousandths is 110 pounds minimum. And 62 thousandths is 280 pounds minimum. Elongated ferrules are ideal for fasteners that have limited clearance between the safety wire hole, less than 100 thousandths of an inch, and the surface of the component to which the fastener is attached. The longer reach of the ferrule will assist with installations on low-profile fasteners or hard-to-reach locations.
Navigate to the page of the product you are looking for. Select the Resources tab and download the datasheet from there. If a datasheet isn't available, please contact us through the live chat feature on our website or submit a request via our contact form. LaceLok cable lacing fasteners were designed to replace cable ties and hand-tied lacing tape for secondary support of wire harnesses. The LaceLok system is ergonomic and provides consistent support with unrivaled strength and superior performance. LaceLok is exceptionally strong with a single wrap. Additional strength can be achieved by simply applying a second or third wrap around the wire harness prior to activation. Multiple wrap installations should be used for increased tensile strength or additional resistance to radial motion as needed. Double and triple wrap configurations are ideal for pressure-sensitive components, such as coaxial and fiber optic cables. Yes, our latest product includes the WA23B. This tool is a compact, heavy-duty pneumatic indent crimp tool that crimps 2 times faster than previous models. This tool is equipped with full cycle control, and the updated design offers improved ergonomics. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any other questions, reach out to us at dmctools.com. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any new videos. You can also follow us on LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, and X.